How to lock WhatsApp in laptop with PIN. Hi everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're gonna learn how we can lock WhatsApp and with PIN on laptop. So without any delay, let's begin with the video. But before beginning, don't forget to hit the like, share, and subscribe icon. So let's start with the process. First of all, you may just go to web.whatsapp.com if you are on your laptop. After that, log in into your account and just head over to the three dot there. You will be able to find settings, or you may just go to the settings at the left corner. After that, scroll down until you are able to see privacy. Just click on it, and when you scroll down a bit, you'll be able to see the app lock option. Just tap on it, and here it says when enabled, you'll need to re-enter your password to unlock WhatsApp. Notifications will not appear when your app is locked. Just tap lock, right click on it, and you need to enter a password and re-enter your password and set up your device password, and tap on OK, and just like that, your PIN should be set up for your WhatsApp in your laptop. So therefore, just follow that method and you should be able to do it successfully. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.